Hi there, welcome to another video. This is a PSU or a power supply unit that can be used in newer computer cases. It has 1000 watts and it is 80 plus gold rated with an addressable RGB. Quite interesting actually. It has an active PFC. And the most important thing, it is modular. So if we don't need SATA cables or Molex cables, then this is a perfect PSU for you. So right here, I think. Yes. Safety reminders. Power supply cable. Okay, so I think it is semi-modular. Yeah. Because some of the cables are attached to the PSU. Nice, cool looking. I think it has 140 millimeter fan, if I'm not mistaken. This is the RGB here. It will be illuminated when you connect it to the motherboard. Not sure what this one is. Probably to reset. Let's check it out because I think I might saw it over here. So I don't know, it says 13 lightning effects via LED control button. Interesting. So I guess you connect the RGBs through this lightning effect control LED button, whatever. It also has here, see, addressable RGB compatible. So yeah, I think this might be it. 90% efficiency. Really cool one. It's an expensive power supply, but still is definitely cheaper than other branded ones. And here are the screws. Let's check it out. What other cables it has inside? So these are the SATA cables. Actually it's only one, but how come? Let me check. See, also 6-pin connector, which is find it a little bit weird. Interesting. That is very interesting actually. So it has a Molex, SATA, and the 6-pin connector. Never saw this type of cable before. this is the 6+2 pin connector. This one you attach it in the PSU. Yeah, that's why it looks red, because you attach it over here. And most probably, yeah, as I thought, the second 6+2, it is already attached to the PSU. Yeah. And this is for the RGB. Probably this one was referring to you connect your lightning from your computer to the PSU. And here it's also attached the 4+4 pin connectors. Yeah. And the 24 pin connector that is connecting to the motherboard. So okay, I understand now. This 6-pin connector, you just plug it in over here, has not a function. That's why it has the these are SATA and Molex cables, so the 6-pin connector attached to the PSU. That's the purpose of it, and probably this one's the same. Yep. Yeah, so 3 extra cables for that, and 1 extra cable for second GPU. Or if you have a really huge GPU like 3090, this will be the third connector that it connects to the GPU. Yeah. Very nice, very cool. Looks cool. No, actually it's AERO Cool. They choose quite a nice name, interesting name. And we will test it out later on, and to see how the power supply is functioning. Alright, thank you for watching and have a nice day.